right, so in this video, we are going to practice adding an invoice. Now, the exercise is going to be here on the right-hand side. This is part of the Fast and Easy QBO Starter Kit. If you are interested in learning more about it, you want to click on the link below in the description. Let's dive right into the exercise and see what our scenario is today. Craig contracted with Bill's windsurf shop to custom design their front porch. He ended up spending 5 hours on it, and now that the work is done, it's time to send an invoice. We are going to be working in the sample company, which is over here on the left-hand side. This is the dashboard. If you're not sure how to get into the sample company or get your own free QBOA account, make sure you click on the link below in the description. Let's get started with the exercise. The first thing we need to do is click on the plus new button and then select invoice. Over here on the left-hand side, the plus new button, click on that. Under customers, select invoice. Now the invoice transaction will appear for us, so let's go ahead and fill it out. In the customer field, we need to select Bill's Windsurf Shop. That is right here. Click on the down arrow and there he is right there. And when you do that, his information will appear for you. Now we're going to leave the terms, which is right here, and the invoice date fields as is. In a real life scenario, you want to adjust this for the customer based on the terms set forth and then the date of the invoice. So those are really, really important, but just know that for this exercise, we're just going to leave those as is. Now on the first line in the product service field, we're going to select design. So that is this one right here. Click into it 2 times. And when you do, you will see design happens to be right there at the top. Go ahead and click on that. Now, if you remember, Craig had done 5 hours of work, and so in the quantity field, we need to change this to 5. Go ahead and click into that field and change that to 5. If you click out of that box, you will see that QBO has automatically done the calculation for us in the amount that 5 times 75 is 375. So we are all done. We are just going to simply click on the down arrow and select Save and Close. That is down here. Click on the down arrow, and then you're going to select Save and Close. And there you go. That invoice has now been saved. If this was a real life scenario, you could always save and send it directly to the customer rather than just saving and closing it. But the sample company does not allow us to send, so that is why we saved and closed it. Again, this exercise is part of the Fast and Easy QBO Starter Kit. If you liked what you saw here and you want to do more exercises like this, be sure to click on the link below in the description, and I will see you in the next exercise.